In the promo world, speed matters. With Kickerton Along, quoting doesn't take hours, it takes minutes. So whether you're sending a quote or 100, our platform is fast and professional. So in this example, I'm going to choose a gift, a key holder, a quantity, and choose my branding. In 3 clicks, color, quantity, branding. You have got a picture, a color, you've got stock, live stock from Amrod in this case, with branding. There's your branding, and you can download branding guidelines. Quote. Once the card populates, you are able to upload artwork, or you can choose layout assistance and ask for design assistance, and this will go to your art department. And that's it. 3 clicks, instant quote. Book a demo and let's show you how it works. Thanks for watching.